You search for how to buy shares of Crane Co. Crane Co. is an industrial engineering group that makes valves, pumps, and flow control systems, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker crossing. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker CR to find the listing. Check the search results carefully and select the Crane County entry to make sure it is the correct stock. On the Crane County asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company description and the CR ticker to ensure you have the right instrument. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a market on open. If you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase confirms. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow this example.